Okay, as I said, we're going to be using a number line in order to help us subtract. Okay, here's our story. There's a store that has 11 beach balls to sell. It sells 2 of them. How many beach balls do they have left? So here's our number sentence. They have 11 beach balls and they sell 2 of them. 11 minus 2 equals blank. How many beach balls did they have left? All right, well, if you remember from the video with the little froggy, okay, it started with the bigger number, so we're going to start at 11. And how many beach balls did they sell? 2. So we're going to go this direction, and we land on 9. So the difference is 9. 11 minus 2 equals 9. Okay, so remember that little froggy went backwards on the number line as we're subtracting. If you remember back when we were talking about addition, we used a number line also, but at that time we were counting on, and so we would go forward on the number line. But with subtraction, we're going to go backwards. We're counting back. So you go this direction for subtraction, and you go forward for addition. So you got to keep that in mind. Okay, turn your paper over, and it says that 9 minus 3 equals 6. Here's a helpful hint. Start at 9 because that's the number, the whole number that we're starting with. And then we're going to take 3 bunny hops back. Start at 9. 1, 2, 3, and we land on 6. Yes, 9 minus 3 equals 6. So start at 9, count back 3 to find the difference. 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay. Now let's go ahead and use these number lines to help show our work on these subtraction problems. 8 minus 2. Okay, where are we going to start? Yes, we're going to start with the bigger number because we're subtracting, and we're going to go this direction. We're going to count backwards 2 bunny hops, and we land at 6. So 8 minus 2 equals 6. 10 minus 3. Where are we going to start? Yes, we're going to start with the whole number, the biggest number, start on 10. How many hops are we going back? We're going back 3 hops, and we land on 7. 10, 9, 8, 7, counting back 3 numbers. 5 minus 1, where are we going to start? On the 5. How many hops? 1. Counting backwards, 5, 4. The difference is 4. 5 minus 1 equals 4. And number 4, 12 minus 3. We're starting at the, 12. And how many hops backwards? 3 hops. And we land on 9. 12 minus 3 equals 9. Now it says, can you only use the number line to help you subtract numbers? Explain. Well, if you were listening, I was pointing out that yes, we used a number line when we were adding also, but the biggest difference is when you're adding, you're going to move forward on the number line because you're counting on, and the numbers are getting higher and higher as you're adding. And with subtraction, you're going to count backwards and go this direction because you're counting back. So you're going to go backwards that direction for subtraction. Okay. From here on out, then you're going to use the Nearpod slides to continue and do your own work instead of doing your paper like I've been having you do. So this will make it easier. We won't have to turn in papers. You can just do your work on the Nearpod slides. Okay, there's only one number line for all of the subtraction problems. Let me just show you what the top part looks like. There's only one number line here, okay? But you have your eraser and your pen, as you're drawing and writing the answers, then you can use your eraser and you can clear after you've done the work and start over to do the next one. So 8 minus 3, 1, 2, 3. Find your answer, write the answer down here. Then you can erase the number line, but you're going to have to use just the eraser and, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle to erase those lines. All right. Good luck.